Hi guys. So it's morning. I just woke up to thunder. It is thundering outside right now, so let's just listen. So Storm Radar just said lightning struck 7 miles away of my current location, west of where I live. So yeah. Just listening. It's just little brief thunder. It's not like loud crashing thunder or cracking thunder. It's just rumbling. The wind's starting to pick up. I hope no tornadoes though. That would be bad. Also, what's going on with my eyes? Eyes are a little red. What's up with that? But that's clearly besides the point. Tired. Not really tired though. I just woke up feeling refreshed this morning. That thunder cracked. I can hear that, but it was not loud. Don't see any lightning. I can just hear thunder.